Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a slime spoof box. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay. Painting up the sun. Don't worry about that, that's just stuff. Come on. So hard. This one. I think this one is no, this one's this is Halloween slime. This one is pumpkin good slime, which I don't know why. And then this is just Mickey gun. This is my gun. And I got this one. Sorry. Okay, so this one's random slime, I don't know what it's called. It's okay to see sounds. This one, it was like brown, but now it isn't. My cousin dyed it on. It's like really sticky, and I did not come with any activator, so I'm kind of mad about that. This one. This one's my winter one. Oh yeah. Okay, this color one. And this is a butterscotch one. Not that one. strawberry chocolate donut. Make her call because she's dead. It's squishy in it. What? I said no squishy. I got squishy. So never go to her shop if you don't want the things that she did. And it has like T-Fex in it and some lime cut in it. And it's okay. It's squishy. Like again, it's like maybe a little of it, like half of it. You can see, but that's water that she put in there. Like, it's good slime. Has foam beads in it. And I think they got this one was strawberry, blueberry mix something. Whoa, that sounds good. And then I got 2 extras. This one will open. I'll open it last. Good, but it's supposed to be magnet. And it didn't even come with a magnet. So yeah, it has like glitter in it. So she obviously opens it and puts stuff in. Sorry. It's the refrigerator out here. And it's like, and she told me she put, what was it? Salt in this, and there's hair in it. And there's a leaf right there. So I'm just gonna throw this away. See when I can handle it though, but yeah, I'm throwing this away. It's gross. So yeah, bye. So bye guys.